Hello everyone. My name is Nita Heng, and today I will present my solutions for a Club Challenge 2026 real world case study. As the topic is presentations, how big logistics can transform from a traditional logistic companies into an AI integrated logistic 5.0 ecosystem. And with Logistic is one of the leading logistics service provider. However, the company currently faces three major challenges. First, recurrent inventory imbalance, and which illicit stock are shortage and excess inventory. And the second is poor supply chain visibilities because the current trackings, data fragment and outdated. The third is increased carbon emissions and high operating energy costs. Therefore, the key questions of this case is how can big logistic transitions to an AI-powered logistic operations to improve efficiencies, reduce cost, and achieve sustainability goals? And my answer is the VITAL's Vital Transform projects. So, to understand the root cause of their problems, I use the first fishbone analysis methods. The issue can be divided into the five main categories, like methods, machine and technologies, measurement data, manpower, and environment. So, their first together lead to inefficient operations, higher costs, and low sustainability performance. So, about industry context and projects overview. Industry data show that logistic companies are rapidly adopting digital technologies. The adoption rate of warehouse management system has increased from the 52% to the 65% in recent years, and the technologies such as IoT and AI are also becoming more common in the logistic operations. So the company that successfully integrate AI and automation can increase the warehouse capacity by approximate uh, 23% and reduce order processing time by 25%. Therefore, if the big logistic do not accelerate its digital transformation, it may fall behind competitions. Next, my project is vital is aimed to transform the big logistic into a real-time, AI-driven, and sustainable logistics system. And the project is focused on the three keys in part. First, reducing operating costs. The second is improving operational qualities and inventories accuracies. And the third is reduce the carbon emissions and environmental impact. So to achieve that goal, the project is divided into three main phases with the phase 1 data foundations. Phase 1 focus on building the data foundations. The IoT device such as RFID tags and warehouse sensors will automatically track incoming and outgoing inventories. So trucks will be equipped with the GPS and environmental sensors to collect the real-time fleet data, and all data will be integrated into a centralized cloud platform using a SAP like the ERP system like SAP and a big data tool such as Apache Spark. This data will be visualized through the real-time control tower dashboard. You can see in my slide. This is the dashboard on the computer and the dashboard in the mobile app. To look at more clear. Oh no. Okay, so Next, with the phase threes, as we can see, as we enter our second years, with the phase one IoT system providing a massive and clean data source. Projects Vital will active in phase two in intelligent automation and optimizations. At this point, AI will not just be for seeing, but for making decisions. Firstly, to truly address the bottlenecks of the inventories and external warehouse costs, we can incorporating machine learning algorithms into the demand forecasting. AI will learn consumptions pattern and automatically calculate optimal inventory level. System the clustering algorithm will redesign the warehouse by grouping the currently shown item together and the combined with automated sky vehicle HEVs, and we will eliminate manual picking errors. And secondly, we are transforming the big logistic fleet into the diagnostics fleet. Following the Volvo's model, AI will warn the driver of the impending engineer failure even before they occurs. Reduce phones diagnostics time by up to a 70%. And our most powerful response line in the final state is dynamic routing using the reinforcement learning. Um, our AI acts like a super brain. It absorbs the real-time traffic and the weather data and continuously plots the most optimal routes and avoid delays. Studies have known that model can have logistic company increase profits up to the 37% in violent situations. And automation alone to increase profit is not enough for the vision of the leading enterprise. Interface entering phase three, the fourth and fifth year of the projects, the Vital will fully address the final challenge is transforming the logistic into the green logistic ecosystem. We focus on two main areas, transportation and warehousing. And to have the trucks visualize better, I would like to demonstrate our energies and emission control panel. You can see in my slide is the dashboard. And it's also known as the sustainability as dashboard. In the demo actions one, green transportation. First, regarding the transportation's problem, the screen currently shows the route of the truck preparing for the delivery. You can see the system is presenting two options. Is option A is the shortest route but in congested, expected emit to 50 kg CO2. Option B is slightly longer but much less traffic, so immediately the AI automatically selects the option B. So our algorithms not only find the faster route, but priority the more fuel efficiency route. Mm, so in the demo action tools, we will bring the warehouse themselves. The previous wayful air conditioning and lighting system will be eliminated. AI will rely on a real-world sensor. Light will only turn on when the people and robot are active, and turn off when they are empty. So at the same time, AI will automatically find the shortest route for the robot to move within the warehouse, reducing optional energy waste. And the system stimulating the weather is scorching hot immediately. The AI acts to the comment in chef automatically sending a notifications. So big logistic will officially become practically self-sufficient in its hour clean energies. So next, we will transform the roadmap is planned over the 5 years. In 2027, the company will build a data infrastructure and deploy the IoT device. Between the 2028 and 2029, AI will automations and predictive maintenance system will be implemented. Finally, from the 2030s to the 2031, the company will scale the green logistic initiative and establish the ESG reporting standards. So this gradual implement reduce the operational risk while ensuring the scalability. And the digital transformation also introduced several risks. Financial risks might occur due to the high initial investment. To mitigate this, the company can adopt the robotics as a service model to reduce upfront capital expenditures. The capex and the technology and cybersecurity risk will be addressed through the zero trust cloud architectures and off-peak backup system. Operational risk will be minimized by conducting pilot projects before full deployment, and human risk will be mitigated through the workforce retraining program, shift employee into the AI supervisory role. So, in conclusion, the vital projects provide a practical roadmap for the big logistic to transition into the AI-powered logistic 5.0 ecosystem by integrating the real-time data, intelligence automation, and the sustainable operations. And the company can improve efficiencies, reducing costs, and meet environmental goals. Thanks for your attention. I really look forward to your questions. So thank you.